Hello, welcome to FountainFX on Thursday the 30th of October 2014. We are looking at our US dollar Swiss franc trade on the 4-hour chart, and as we can see, unfortunately, price has turned and rocketed upwards, totally against the flow or the direction of the trade that we were trading. So we managed to get price to fall a nice 90 points in total. That was the maximum move that it managed, right down here at the 0.9450 level. So we did manage to get a 90-point trade out of that. In terms of how much we banked, because we were running a trailing stop while looking for price to reach a target down here of 140 points, we didn't quite make it. However, the good thing is that we have been managing our trade, and in managing our stop, I banked a 40-point trade out of that, so I have made profit, and now price has turned and rocketed up. Now, the key thing is why did it do that? Was there anything else that we can learn from this that we can help to apply to our trading in future so that we can make more profit? And that's the key thing. So I'm going to switch over to the news and share with you what happened in terms of the Federal Reserve statement. And quite simply, 8 o'clock yesterday evening, the Federal Reserve came out and made a statement about what they were going to do in terms of bond issuing and quantitative easing and that kind of thing. And you can read it all in the federal statement was what happens, but the actual response is that they're ending quantitative easing. Okay? And that basically means they're not going to keep printing money, they're not going to keep issuing bonds. And the reason for all of that is because the US economy is looking quite strong and robust. It's starting to gain jobs and productivity is going up. So therefore it looks like the US is now out of its recession and everything's starting to get good. So very much good for the US currency. So now we're going to see the US dollar rise. Off the back of that, we can look for other opportunities with other currency pairs as well. But just for now, we're going to go back and take a look at where that showed itself on the chart and what benefit we could have taken from that piece of news. And as we can see, looking at the 1-hour chart, when the news came out, the opening of the news is the opening of this very big blue candlestick. And we can see that price just rallied all the way out. So how could we have traded this? Well, the key thing is that with the trade that was going south in our favor, we've got this trend line running. We'd also got a previous area of support with the expectation that would be resistance. So I had managed my stop to be just above here. So as price pushed up, I was stopped out. I took a nice 40 points of profit, which was okay. But in terms of this turning in the market, to see this level of momentum upwards, if you can see, we had a double bottom formation here. So that showed a bit of a reversal, and then also when price broke above this previous area of resistance and then this previous area of resistance, we could see that the market has changed in the direction and the momentum has changed in the value of the dollar against the Swiss franc. So what do you do in that situation? You buy instead of sell. So now our opportunity is to look for buy orders. Okay, so that's really what we're doing now. But we can see here, we can see that the momentum in the MACD has gone up and it's now starting to decline. But this looks like this is about to cross over as well. And if it crosses over the zero line, that's going to be saying maybe an opportunity to sell. So we need to be looking at that as well. But that was really the trade on the US dollar Swiss franc over the last week. We have banked 40 points in profit, so it's not a bad trade out of a total of 90 points that could have been gained. We will continue to take a look at some other trades tomorrow, but in the meantime, I am looking to share some simpler and easier ways of trading. If you guys want to follow trades that I'm plotting, etc., and you're open to setting up a live account, whereby you can look for around about a 10 to 20% gain per month on your account, then send me an email, steve@fountainfx.co.za, steve@fountainfx.co.za, and what I can do is once I've confirmed all the details on that and what needs to happen, I can send you a quick email and we can take it from there and see if you guys want to join so that we can start to help you gain some growth in your trading accounts while you're learning all about the technicals, etc. So you can be making money while you're learning. So I'm going to call it Earn as you learn. So there you go. This new strategy that I'm going to bring out. earn as you learn opportunity, and we can see where we go from there. So those of you that want to find out, just send me an email and we will be in touch. Other than that, happy trading, and we will catch you tomorrow. Bye bye.